Hello everyone, I'm heading across town because I am getting new shoes for this truck. That's right, I'm getting new tires, and it's been a long time coming. I've been stretching out these tires for 91,000 miles. These are the stock Wrangler all-terrain tires that I got with this truck. They've served me well. They got Kevlar sides, although the sidewalls have started to kind of flake off basically in these last few months. Don't want to do any curb rubbing more than I need to. And anyway, I decided to go with KO3s. You know, choosing tires is like choosing a truck. You know, everyone either hates Ford or hates Dodge. Everybody either, you know, says get Falcon or get BFGs, or everyone's got an opinion. Everyone's got an idea of what to get. I'm going with KO3s. I think they're going to work well for me. I know that the KO3s will likely wear out a little faster than some of the other tires. With the softer rubber and such, it's sort of expected. The KO2s were known for that. However, I'm willing to take that. I'm going to get a much stronger tire, a much better gripping tire. I'm going to be getting a tire that can tow. This might be a little stiffer on the road, but I'm not too worried about that. Of course, my wife's not going to be too happy if this ends up being a much stiffer ride, but my truck already has the heavy-duty payload package. It's already a fairly rough ride, especially when I'm empty, man. This thing just sits raked up. Back end looks like it's lifted when I don't have anything in it. But I'm going to go get these tires now. I'm at Cal Tires here in the Lower Mainland area near Vancouver. Cal Tires is a Canadian chain, so of course by getting my tires here, I can get fixes anywhere I go in the country. So that's always nice to have that free tire fix or rebalancing. I have heard these tires sometimes don't balance so well, so free rebalancing is an important part. I should make a point that this is not a sponsored post. I'm not getting anything free from BFG or Cal Tire. This is all my dollars. And to be honest, not to get into the politics of it, I'm buying them right now because I want to get these in before any tariffs kick in and start screwing up the whole pricing model. So let's go get some tires. Card for the service technician who helped me out. It was really cool. Let me like film extra footage of all the tires, and a box of 50 Timbits for the team. One of the best ways to say thank you in Canada is to bring a box of Timbits. I will say they did a really good job. They tried to convince me to do a alignment job. I probably should have, but I was spending enough money on the tires this paycheck. I didn't really want to spend more. I had even wear on my old tires, so I wasn't too worried about it. I'll monitor these tires, you know, maybe next bonus check I'll take them up on the realignment. But if I see even tire wear, I'm usually not too worried about it. Call me old school. Done. And they were all scared when they saw me pull up because they figured I was coming back with a problem. That happens every time I come back with donuts. It makes the donuts even better. right, now let's go take these on the freeway or the highway. We'll get them up to speed and see how they feel. So I didn't actually record any video driving on the bridge going at near freeway speeds. I got up to around 80 kilometers an hour, which is around 50 miles an hour. They felt great. I could feel they were a little heavier in my steering going from those stock Wranglers to these. It wasn't like it really took extra effort, but I could feel the extra, half a pound of force or whatever to turn the steering wheel. I did take it out to a little bit of dirt road with a few inches of snow on it. It handled amazingly, exactly how I'd hoped. And although these are the early tests, I am planning on doing some towing tests in about 2 weeks, and we'll see how these tow. Hopefully I'll get some snow to try it out in as well with the trailer. Stay tuned.